Hey there, this is a little video on inventory editor that I've been making. It's pretty simple to use, highly customizable, or I'm trying to make it that way at least. So basically you just start out by taking this inventory manager right here and just dragging onto whatever object, shouldn't matter. You're going to see a lot of extra stuff that shouldn't really be in there, but this is what I used to initially make my inventory, and I'm just kind of building off of it. So there's two menus currently right now, just the show bag window, and this is the bag window where you initially will loot stuff into. And there's only really one requirement here, which is basically just assigning one texture to the bag slot area, otherwise you won't be able to see anything. So I'm just going to put a default one in there really fast. And if you want to see it, you can just preview the bag, which I made this little editor window, so you can see what you're making. And we don't want this on right now. And you can actually use the button that you assign right here to open and close it. For some reason my computer makes a weird noise when I press it. But other than that, you can tweak a lot of different settings in here to make it specifically to your game, whatever. I'm gonna add a background real quick. You could even mess with the inventory count, and it will dynamically. I made little helper functions that will help you dynamically set your window to that size. So just try best fit, and it best fits to that area pretty well. You can mess with the offsets. So if you want it to lock the window in one area, you can make it always pop up in that area. And this is currently set to the upper left. Oh, that's the label. This one's currently set to the middle right. These all work correctly. When you tweak one of these little offsets or size differences, you can do the best fit, and it'll try to help you select the window size that would match your style better. I also recently just added this like an exit button, so whenever you click this button right here, it'll just automatically exit. So you can add a texture to that as well. And then you can change your offsets. So add a little space at the top. Now you can add a label if you want to. Which is black, so you're not going to see it. Hold on a second. Change it to white. There it is. Other than that, you can unlock the bag position, make it movable, and then lock it. If you want to always be in that one location, just lock it. It'll always pop up in that location. And the other one I've been working on is the equipment window. And for each of these, you can see the equip open key, or the open keys. You can set them. It's just the enumeration of every possible key code that you can have. I didn't really know how else to really do that. Again, there's tons of options in here. These are the equip slots that you can have. I made it so you can have up to 20 of them, which is a lot. I think I currently have mine set to 9. I just recently added this little helper function that will automatically set all textures to a specific one, in case you wanted to have your equip slots to be the same one or all different. You can do either. So you can sit here and add unique names. I haven't actually added in anything like with functionality of adding gear to these specific unique name slots, but I probably will do something like that. Let's get the thing to be working first. Alright, there's our window. I know, sorry. The window locations are all messed up. There. Looks like a little bug I need to fix there. I'm just going to set back to 2 so I can show you some of the features real quick. Oops. Alright. So this is just automatically set to the center, this window here. I made it so you can click this button right here and you can actually move the buttons, the equip slots, as the window itself. And then whenever you click that button again, it makes it the actual button itself, which one of them doesn't have a texture. You gotta re-edit. There. With the inventory, I made it so you can lock it or you can make it movable, and you can also make it open up whenever at the starting location. Upon reopening, open at original position. So this one's always going to go to the middle. Or you can just lock it just like the other window. You can't move it at all. Again, you can have the close button, which you can kind of tweak again with offsets, and add the button size to be ginormous if you wanted to. That's about all I have. It kind of works in game right now. This might have some errors since I'm using a lot of other code right now currently. I haven't really converted it. Yeah, it's not working properly. Because my code only has an 8x8, so it's trying to go just by the 8x8 right now. I'm hoping to add some other stuff like this hotbar right here, which mine works with my current setup, just not with this editor. Hoping to put a hotbar in there so people can use that straight out of quickly, and adding maybe some tabs like this if they want it, maybe some kind of customizing. That's about it. Thanks for watching.